Number 7 is explain the exponent laws for multiplying and dividing powers with the same base. So the two laws are the quotient law and the product law. The quotient law is for dividing exponents with the same base. So how you answer it is you keep the base, you subtract the exponents, and you divide the coefficients. So in this example, of 3 to the power of 4 divided by 3 to the power of 2, we keep the base, so 3 is the base, so we keep that. We subtract the exponents, so 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. And divide the coefficients, there are no coefficients, so that does not apply to this question. So this is our final reduction. So 3 to the power of 2, if we want to find the final answer, it's equal to 9. Sorry about that. Now with this example, with coefficients of 6 to the power of 5, 6 times 5 to the power of 4, divided by 3 times 5 to the power of 2. First thing we do is we keep the base, so 5, so we write that down. Then we subtract the exponents, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, and we divide the coefficients. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. And the final answer for this is 5 times 5, and 5 times 5, because 5 to the power of 2, is 25, times 2 as the coefficient is equal to 50. If you were to represent this with variables, it would look like this. X to the power of y divided by x to the power of z is equal to x to the power of y minus z. We cannot go any further than this because we do not know the numbers for this equation. The next law is the product law. This is for multiplication. So the first step for it is we keep the base, second step is we add the exponents, and third step is we multiply the coefficients. So in this question, of 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 4, we keep the base of 2, then we add the exponents of 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. We multiply the coefficients, which there is none here, so that does not apply to this question. And 2 to the power of 7, if anyone's wondering, is 128. For this question with coefficients, we have 2 times 3 to the power of 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 to the power of 3. Oh, I got tongue twisted there. So for this we would keep the base, so 3, so we keep that there, 3. We add the coefficients, 2 and 3 is 5, and we multiply, we add the exponents, not the coefficients, 2 and 3 is 5, and then we multiply the coefficients, so 2 times 2 is 4. Then this, 4 times 3 to the power of 5, is equal to 972 as the final answer. Then again, representing this in variables would look like this. X to the power of y times x to the power of z is equal to x to the power of y plus z. This is the two laws for multiplying and dividing powers with the same base.